We'll guide you through how to turn an iPhone on and off. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you want to go and turn it off or on. I'm going to guide you through this step by step. And there are different ways you can go about this to make this full video, and you can decide the way that's going to work best for you. So of course, if you just want to go and sleep your iPhone, essentially, you just simply go and tap the side button, but this doesn't go and completely turn it off, as notifications are going to come through. And if you get a phone call, it will come through. Whereas if you want to go and completely turn it off, none of that's going to come through. So we're going to guide you through the steps you need to take in order to do that. As I said, there are different ways you can go about it as well, and you can follow this using any iPhone. We've got methods which you can apply to any, so watch this full guide. Whether it's a normal phone, it's a Pro Max, it doesn't matter. So for the first way, what we're going to do is a button combination. So what you need to do is go and find the volume rockers and also the side button. And so what you need to do is you need to go and tap and hold them both together like so. What's going to happen is you're going to go and see this screen here, these different options. Don't worry about these lower two. We're interested in this top option, which is slide to power off. So what you need to do is go and slide this button across all the way, and then you go and release. And then it's going to go and shut down. So that's the first way, and it'll be completely powered off. Alternatively, which I find actually even easier, is we can go and use Siri. So I'm going to guide you through that now. You can go and activate it by saying it, or tap and hold the side button. Power off iPhone. You'll go and get a pop-up and it will say this, and then what you can do is go and press power off. And then it's going to go and completely go and shut down. Or you can go and drag across as we previously showed you. So now phone calls, notifications are not going to come through. It's completely turned off and shut down. Perhaps you want to do this to go and save power or another reason. But when you're ready and you want to go and have it back on, all you need to do is go and tap and hold the side button like so. Tap and hold it. It shouldn't be long, should just be a few seconds really, and then you can release when you go and see the Apple icon. And this indicates the iPhone is now starting again. So go and be patient, it shouldn't take long. I have found that the older iPhones do take longer to go and start, whereas the new ones are a bit quicker. But just go and wait, and you will know it's coming back on as you're going to be back on the lock screen. So as you can see, within 20 seconds it's back on. We can then go and swipe up. You will need to go and enter in the passcode the first time your iPhone restarts, or the first time it starts, I should say. Face ID does not work. That's it.